Namaste and welcome to Rashtrattana Vidya Kendra. Welcome to another session of English class. So in our previous class we learned topic articles. So what are we going to learn in our today's class? Let's begin our class, children. So what is our today's topic? Our today's topic is nouns. Nouns are nothing but naming words. You have learned this topic from your first grade, right? So what are nouns? Nouns are everything in the world that has a name. All names or naming words are called as nouns. So what are they? They are the names of person, place, animal or a thing. So in our today's class, as we all know what are nouns, we will also know what are common and proper nouns. So see the sentence here. Suman and her dog are playing with football in the garden. So which are the nouns you can see in the sentence? Suman, dog, football and garden. The words which are in blue color are all nouns. Suman and her dog are playing with football in the garden. Here in this sentence, as you can see, Suman is a name of the person. And see here, the word which is in blue is garden. So what is garden? Garden is a noun and also it is a name of the place. And when you come to the sentence again, if you see the highlighted picture, it's a dog and dog is a animal. And again in the same sentence, here we can see the highlighted word is football and football is a thing. So a name can either be common or it can be special. So the special name of a noun is called as proper noun. If you see the same sentence, Suman and her dog are playing with football in the garden. Here Suman is a proper name of the girl. If you say what is the common noun, girl is a common noun. When you come to Suman, it's a proper noun. So, proper nouns are the special names of person, animal, place or a thing. The names of the cities, days, months, holidays, books, people are all called as proper nouns. So what are common nouns then? So the common nouns are the general names of the nouns. Here dog, football and garden which are in the sentence are all common nouns. So what are common nouns? The general names of people, animals, places and things are called as common nouns, and common nouns will not be capitalized unless they begin a sentence or they are part of a title. So what should be the rule when you are using capitalization for the common noun? We will usually not give common nouns in capital letter. If you have to put the common noun in a capital letter, then that should be either in the beginning of the sentence or it should be a part of title or a heading. So what do we come to know from all this? What we learned till now? We come to know that all the nouns have the common nouns and also some nouns will have special names. See these examples now. This is a boy. This is a dog. This is a fort. This is a car. So here when we said this is a boy, this is a dog, this is a fort and this is a car, they are all the common nouns for person, animal, place and thing. See the examples now. This is Pavan. This is Ruby. This is the Red Fort. This is a Honda City. So Pavan, Ruby, Red Fort and Honda City are the proper nouns given for people, animal, place and thing. Okay? So now I hope it's clear. There are some more example sentences to make it clear for you for common and proper nouns. Let's see them one by one. It is his dog and dog is general name of an animal. This is a pastry, general name for a thing. John the clown entertains people in a circus. Here John is the special name for clown. So here in this sentence, clown is a common noun, John is a special noun. They live in Mumbai. In this sentence, Mumbai is a special name given to a city, whereas city is a common noun. So this is it for today, children. Meet you all in the next video. Stay home, stay safe, happy learning. Dhanyavad.